What is up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll quickly show you how you can sync all of your pictures from your iPhone without even installing third-party applications. So here, as you guys can see, we have no photo whatsoever, but just in a moment we will just sync all of the photo just to our Apple Watch to show you how you can do it as well. Now, to do the process, all you need to get your iPhone on your hand. Now let me just get our iPhone on my hand. Once you have your iPhone on your hands, the first things you want to do, just go ahead and open up your Apple Watch application from your iPhone. Now once you're here, go ahead and scroll down unless you find out the photo application. So there is the photo application. Just go ahead and tap it on. Now once you're here, all you want to do is simply want to tap custom. Now once you're just tap the custom, here you'll be able to see an option called photo syncing. Go ahead and tap photo sync. Now once you're here, it will show you all of this pictures folder on your iPhone. Now go ahead and select one of the folder you want. So here we'll select this one. Now as soon as you do it, now just in a moment I'll show you how it really works. Now let me bring back the Apple Watch once again here. Now all I want to do, I just want to simply go ahead and open up the photo application. There is the things, there is your pictures. Now you have just synced from your iPhone. Now just wait unless your load app is done. Now once you get it, now I'll show you the same folder on my iPhone as well. So let me get out of here and let me open up that. And let me tap on the see all once I'm here, and this is the pictures. All right guys, let me show you right now. So as you guys can see right now, this is the same pictures as you guys can see we have on our Apple Watch as well as on our iPhone. Alright guys, this is how you can sync your photo from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. This is an easy process guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.